Many of us have this doubt as to what is the difference between engineering and technology. This video will help you to get the answer for the question. Engineering aims to convert scientific concepts into working models for solving problems, whereas technology converts these working models into products. To understand what is engineering, let's take a problem statement to stop papers from flying on account of a gentle breeze. Out of intuition, let us choose a stone to prevent papers from flying. We know the scientific relation. Force is equal to mass into acceleration. The mass is the amount of matter in an object and measured by the unit kilograms. The acceleration is the rate of change of velocity and measured by the unit meters per second square. The force is also known as weight. It is then the product of mass and acceleration and measured by the unit kilogram meter per second square or newtons. If the acceleration of an object is due to the gravitational force of Earth, then it is known as acceleration due to gravity, g, and has a constant value of 9.8 meters per second square. Let the force of the stone on the paper be Fs newtons. This is equal to mass of the stone into acceleration due to gravity, which is equal to m into g newtons. Let the force of air on the paper be Fa newtons. When the force of air is less than the force of the stone on the paper, that is, Fa less than Fs, then the papers will not fly. Note, though the forces Fa and Fs cannot be compared as they are in different directions, we will still compare them for simplifying the problem. When the force of air is more than the force of the stone on the paper, that is, Fa greater than Fs, then the papers will fly. Note, though the forces Fa and Fs cannot be compared as they are in different directions, we will still compare them for simplifying the problem. The velocity of a gentle breeze that can lift a kite of normal size is equal to 5 miles per hour or 2.24 meters per second. The density of air at sea level has a value of 1.229 kilograms per meter cube. The force of air is computed as density into square of velocity into area equals 1.229 kilograms per meter cube into 2.24 meters per second whole square into 1 meter square equals 6.16 kilograms meter per second square. Hence, the weight or force of the stone on the paper, Fs, to avoid papers from flying due to the breeze should be at least 6.16 kilograms meters per second square or 6.16 newtons. Thus the mass of the stone, m, should be at least Fs divided by g equals 6.16 kilogram meters per second square divided by 9.8 meters per second square equals 0.628 kilograms or 628 grams. Hence, the solution for the problem is, by keeping a stone of mass of at least 628 grams, the papers will not fly on account of a gentle breeze. By now, you have understood how a scientific concept is made to work to solve the problem of papers from flying on account of breeze, by choosing a stone of appropriate mass. We also know that stones are not used for the purpose but paper weights are used instead. Technology helps to convert the engineering solution into an attractive product that is preferred by end users, just as a beautiful paperweight is preferred for the purpose of stopping papers from flying rather than using a crude stone. We know that with technology, paperweights are manufactured using materials like glass, stone, acrylic, wood, metal, etc., with beautiful designs so as to attract the buyers. outcomes from this video, knowing that weight and mass are different, knowing the equations for force or weight, knowing the values of constants such as velocity of breeze, density of air and acceleration due to gravity. You would have also learnt about the evolution of a paperweight based on a scientific concept and, of course, the difference between engineering and technology. We hope you had a yummy learning. If you think the video is good, worth mentioning and interesting, do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.